Good morning, this is Peter Boulton. These lean-in videos that I put out are really designed to share some ideas and some tips to other entrepreneurs and people that are self-employed, how to, run a successful business. And these little bite-sized chunks, as I call them, I think have been very effective for me, and that's why I like to share them with other people, so that they can be successful too. And I was reflecting this, my wife said this morning, she said, I always knew that you were going to be successful. She said, because you never give up. You apply yourself to something, you do what you need to do, and you just keep on going. And I think that reminded me of Jim Rohn when he talks about this combination of motivation and education. And he's basically preaching and saying that you need both of those things if you're going to be successful. The education is about learning what you need to do, that assuming that you do those things, then you can achieve the level of success that you're after. And that can be in any business, I think. But with SFM, if you're going to learn from SFM all the things you need to do to create a successful online digital marketing business, all of the resources are available. It's amazing the amount of learning that can be done within SFM. And in itself, that's so important, I think, to learn the things that you need to do to set up and run and be successful in your own business with SFM, perhaps as an affiliate, as I am. But all the education in the world, of course, doesn't turn it into a successful business unless you take action. And I think that's where Jim Rohn uses that expression about motivation. What you need to do is be able to motivate yourself, draw on something to make sure that you're then doing the things that you need to do. Just learning about what you need to do and not taking action obviously doesn't achieve the level of success that we're after. It is a combination of the two. So perhaps I can encourage you with that this morning, just to sort of think about, what are you learning with SFM? Are you leaning into the opportunity to learn all the things that you need to, that you can then use to be successful with SFM? And are you also truly motivated then to follow through and do those things that you need to do to be able to achieve the success that you're after? So maybe that's my message for this morning. Think, for yourselves, if you're on this journey with SFM, perhaps as an affiliate as I am, think about education and motivation. Think about learning the things that you need to learn to make a successful business in this space, and then make sure that you're motivated and perhaps even motivating yourself to do those things so that you do actually achieve that level of success that you're after. Anyway, I'll leave that with you as a thought this morning and wish you a great day.